good morning, everyone who got here. Okay, please wait for your friends to get into the Zoom session with me. Okay. Okay, good morning, everyone. Let's get started, shall we? Last time, do you remember? We were talking about could, how to use could structures, right? It's tell you the abilities, what you could do in the past. For example, I could swim when I was 4. She could write when she was 6. And the negative form is I couldn't walk when I was 1. She couldn't ride on the bike when she was 3, right? So we have finished exercise 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and 4, right? So we're gonna focus on the question, okay? To use could in questions, you just put could in front of the sentence, okay? Could you swim when you were 2? Could she write when she was 2? Here. Take out your activity book and turn to page 15. Turn to page 15. This is Meg, and her activities is according to this page 14. Remember when we were doing play the piano, use the calculator, ride a bike, swim underwater, and count to 100. Now I'd like you to make equations out of this. Okay, go ahead and do it now. In the activity book, okay, activity book. Let me know when you finish, okay?
Finish.
Okay. Number two. Number two. What is it?
I'm not finished, teacher.
Okay, I'll wait for you then.
Okay.
Wait for 3 more minutes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. All right. Number two. Number two. What should be the questions?
Could she play
Could-
piano when she was 6?
Yes, that's fine. Could she play a piano when she was 6? Could she play piano when she was 7? Could she play piano when she was 15? It's okay. Just write down the age. Okay, just write down the age. Number three. Number three. What should be the question?
Could she use a calculator when she was 8?
Good. Could she use a calculator when she was 8? Could she use a calculator when she was 10? It's all correct. As long as you write, could she use a calculator? Okay, just want you to practice how to write up questions about the abilities in the past. Number 4, what is it?
Could she swim underwater when she was 5?
Could she swim underwater? Sorry, I don't know where the water went, but Okay, you have to write, could she swim underwater when she was 5? Or could you swim underwater when she was, 10? That's all correct. Okay. Your friend just got in here. Okay. Number 5. Number 5.
Could she count to 100 when she was 9?
Yes. Could she count to 100 when she was 9? Could she count to 100 when she was 3? That's also the correct answer. Okay. Those who just got in, we were on the activity book, page 15. Today, we learn about how to form a questions using could, asking about the abilities. Okay. Those who already finished the exercise, I will give your friends who just got in here 2 minutes to look at the questions. And please check your answer if you have written down correctly.
Teacher ปิดไมค์หน่อย
Okay, so do you have any questions on this? Do you have any different answers that you like to share with the class? No? Okay. All right. Next one. We will read the story again, and on this case, I will play the audios. So you could just take out your class book. Here's your class book. And turn to page 14 on the story time, lunch at the dig on lesson 3, unit 2. Okay, you can take out your class book. Now, you have to listen to the story and read along, okay? You don't have to read it out loud. Just read it silently and then do this exercise. Ready?
Listening 1.22. Listen and read. Lunch at the dig. It's 1 o'clock at the dig.
I'm starving. I want my lunch. We haven't got time for that. Let's look at these things first. The label says this plate is 200 years old. This knife is older.
Yes, look. It's 250 years old.
I think they've got the answer. We have to stop them. Let's play a trick on them. Look! Look! What is it? It's a dinosaur bone. This dinosaur could run. It couldn't swim. This bone is very old. It's the oldest thing here. You're right about this animal. It could run. But it wasn't a dinosaur. Well, what was it?
It was someone's lunch. It was a chicken.
The oldest thing is the knife.
That's correct. Well done.
That was a funny trick.
I'm starving. Let's all have something to eat.
Yeah.
Good idea. I'm starving too. Come on.
Right. I'll give you 2 minutes to do this exercise, matching the left hand side to the right hand side. And those who just got in, we are on the activity book, page 15, lesson 5. We listen to the story again and then match the story. Let me know when you finish. Good. Let me know when you finish. Okay. Number 1, right? It says, the children went to the dig to find the oldest thing. Number 2, they looked at a plate. What should be best to finish this sentence? They looked at a plate.
And a knife.
Good. And a knife. The Red Wolves wanted to
Play a tick on the
On the
in the
Yes.
incredible team.
What? 1 second, sorry. I don't know what's going on. The Red Wolves want to play a trick on the incredible team. They show the children.
A bone.
Yes, they show the children a bone. And it wasn't.
A dinosaur bone.
Yes, it wasn't a dinosaur bone. It was a bone.
From a chicken.
Very good. From a chicken. So the eldest thing at the dig
Was a knife.
was a knife. Finally, they all had,
Something to eat.
yes, something to eat. Good job. So today the lesson is gonna end here. I'd like to ask you this one. The exercise grammar can and could. Only almost 20 of you has had it in. Do you have problems of hand it in? So please hand it in before we have another word rolling in. That's gonna be a lot for you to try to. Do you know how to get in?
Yeah.
Yes, 5/9, right? 1 second. Let me explain how to get in again. This is the other account, 5/9. Okay, you go to the middle here and then you click. And then you find grammar, can, and could. And you click. And here it says unit 2. Click on the Google form. One more time. Write down your nickname, your class, your number, and then answer these questions. Got it? Understand? Yes. So please hand it in. Here's showing your timestamps. Those who have finished it, which is number 3, number 5, number 6, number 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, 37, 38. I'm gonna put it down here. Can you see? Can you actually see? I still have a checklist on you. Okay, I still have a checklist on you. So please do it, because this will add a point towards the end of the semester. Understand? Yes? Do you have any questions about the lessons today? So there's no homework for your class, as you always. Now you are the fattest class of the 4. So I'd like to wait a little for the other 3 to catching up with you. All right. So get ready for lesson 6 tomorrow. We will talking about a dinosaur, which is, she called it Sue. So you can read it in advance to find out why they named the dinosaur Sue. Okay, and then we'll find out about it tomorrow. Will I see you tomorrow, 5-9? Yes, I will see you tomorrow at 2:40. Okay. So, do you have any question? Please do your exercise grammar can and could, okay? And submit it to me, because I have name and the time that you submit and everything. So you need to do this. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, you feel free to leave the room. If you have any questions, you can hang back and ask me questions. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, that's about it today, guys. Bye-bye. Have a great lunch.
Bye bye.
Bye.
บ๊ายบายไอโปทำอะไรอ่ะ
ไม่รู้อ่ะเรื่องเอาหนีอ่ะ
บ๊ายบาย
บาย
Bye.
มึงมาค้นเจอตอนจบ
Bye bye.
Bye.
ดูเพื่อนก่อนยังออกกันยังไม่ออก
All right. See you tomorrow.